Turn left, turn left, turn left. Oh, saved it. We saved it. What's the strange? I got the thumbs up from that guy. Let's go. Oh, what is this? Look at this fancy mobile. God dang, boy. Hey. What is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are on an adventure. It's gonna be a very special episode because I'm gonna start trying to do knee knockers. I'm excited. Comfortable enough with the sit downs now, I think. So let's go. We're out here in the undisclosed location in Scotland, and yeah, there's surprisingly people on the path today. So we're just gonna pass everybody real chill like. Hopefully no one gets upset. I'm on the little electric horse. Where did they go? Oh, they're on the bench. Well, I think that was the last of them. Like speaking in tongues swallows you now. So it's gonna be the first attempts at knee knocking. I think that's a good progression. Next kind of trick to try. Get that in the belt loop, you know? The fuck? Probably still gonna be terrifying the first couple times, but hey, let's get it. But yeah, we're getting the brakes warmed up. Oh, there's some doo-doo on the path there. I don't wanna hit that. Alright, I'm pretty excited to start trying this. Hopefully I don't eat shit. I got my knee pads on today. Always wear your protective gear, kids. Alright, well, let's get this knee knocker attempt. Gotta see what feels comfortable. It's feeling pretty good. Alright. First knee knocker attempt, let's go. Oh, nope, 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 a little quicker than that. Oh shit! Oh, let's go! Baby knee knockers. So I've been doing a little research, and they said basically just drive your knee down into the seat. You don't want much pressure on your peg. Most of it on the knee. Oh, okay. Alright, a little higher. Oh! Oh, oh, okay, okay. We got this right here. Am I far enough back? I'll put my knee back a little bit more. Try that. Feels like a decent spot. Oh shit! Hold on! Hold on! Oh! Oh, I think I'm going too slow there. Oh, damn, we're getting the hand pump already. Oh, oh. Oh, shit. I go off into the swamp. Gator. Don't go in that water. Or these pipes. Do these people not know that gators move around? That gator was here for probably 5 minutes. Paint is permanent. Animal positions are not, friends. Alright, let's go. Knee back. Bring it up. Ooh, just got to get like the right throttle flick to pop it up. Ooh, oh, that was good. We'll go a little faster. I'm not sure. Oh, we knee-knocking. Ooh. Okay, I got this. All right, let's go. Oh. Damn, hand pump. Try to go a little faster. Oh shit! We knee-knocking, boys. Let's go! Let's go! Oh, let's fucking do it, boys! Hell yeah! A little higher. Ooh, 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 we standing tall. Crank up the tunes a bit. A little A Day to Remember playing. Alright, so we'll go like 15. A little faster. Alright, we're moving pretty good here. Pop it. Higher, higher. Definitely not as afraid of this as sit downs in the beginning. Probably because I've been doing sit downs for a little while now, so more comfortable, but let's go. Alright. Okay. Going off to the right, too much pressure. Yeah, I feel like I'm just going too slow at the start. All the pressure on the knee. Strike that, all the pressure on the knee. Oh ho! We're knee knocking. Oh, got a tree. Let's fucking go. Ow. Oh god. Ow. Alright, let's get another one before we get to the people. That's a comfortable spot, like all the way in the back of the seat. Right here, right now, it ends. Let's go, boys. Can we get knee knocks in one day? I would love that. We made our moves. Edit out all the singing I'm doing. Oh, yeah, I think going faster is better. Feels more smooth coming up. Oh, nope, too slow. Oh, we're up, we're up, we're up. Oh, it feels good on the knee. We're tall. We're fucking up here, boys. Another branch hit me in the head. It's number 3. Woo. You really got to get it high. I definitely feel like the pressure change on my knee once we're at balance. Whew. Getting winded. Woo. The adrenaline, or if I'm fucking out of shape. I ride an e-bike, so I'm probably out of shape. Wrote you some soft song. Ooh, yeah, that tall feeling, that tallness. Oh, we're knee knocking out here, boys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's get one more before the end. We up, knee in the comfy spot. Pressure on the knee, none on the right foot. Go fast. Ooh, yeah, once I get high enough, I can feel it in my back because I feel like I'm hunched over. I'm 6 foot and don't have riser bars. Now I see where the riser bars can come in handy, but I think the riser bars look stupid. Might be a hot take. Sorry, but I think they look dumb. I'd rather just get a direct mount and lift it. But hey, do what you like. Not my call. Do your own bike how you want to. Let's give it a break. Get a little sit down action. Oh god. Oh. Whew. Feel like my brakes weren't gonna save me there. There we go. Straight back. Whew. We're getting little knee knocks. I'm good with that. Ain't no complaints here. on the knee. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, I definitely gotta bleed my brakes after this. I do not feel as safe as I was hoping. We're doing little baby knee knocks out here though. How great is that? Never thought I'd be doing that shit. I'm hot and cold at the same time. This is not enjoyable. Take off the gargles. Oh yes, I got nice cold eyeballs now. I gotta wash my bike too, man. It's just dirty. Little baby knee knocks, okay. We're up. Ooh. I need a wider spot. I mean, I guess it's probably good training to keep it straight. But yeah, I need a little bit wider. If I had just like a 2-lane road instead of a single lane. All right, knees, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Okay, that's balance right there. Oh shit, let's fucking get it. Oh. Oh, oh, that's fun. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, I do not like my brakes on that. That is a bit sketch, because I'm pulling it and it is not bringing me forward. Oh yeah, boys. Look at this. Oh, powering out. Woo! All right, water break. Got this group of bikers coming towards me. I don't like it. Turn around. All right, might have to end it here. We got a lot of people on the path today. This undisclosed location in Scotland. They're looking at the poop. It's a big pile of poop, people. Look at it. It's a big pile of poopy. They're real interested in it. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. There's too many people out here today. I can't be causing too much havoc, especially as there's a bicycle race going on and there's popo everywhere. If you made it this far, thank you, much appreciated. Go ahead and hit a little like button if you liked it. Hit a little subscribe if you want to see more. But yeah, that's it. Knee knocks. A lot easier than I thought. Thanks for watching. Video over.